everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Let's Cook It. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a basic tomato sauce. It's an amazing, yummy, tasty recipe and freezer friendly as well. So whatever leftover you have, you can freeze it till next time and you use it with no problem. So I'm gonna start with the garlic, fine chop. Onions, fine chop as well. Perfect, everything's ready. And my tears ready as well with the onion. Now, stove on the medium, and we're gonna saute the garlic and the onion first. So olive oil, and a lot of olive oil for tomato sauce. Onion and garlic in. Look at that. As soon as the onion becomes a little translucent, it's ready to put the tomatoes. And here I'm using the diced tomatoes. Any brand available in your area you can use, shouldn't be a problem. Crushed tomatoes, and I'm gonna add about half a cup water, pepper, salt, always pepper and salt to your taste, about 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, fresh basil, and I'm not going to chop them. I'm just gonna put the whole leaves. Probably a few more. I know I use a lot of fresh garlic, but still I want to add some granulated garlic. And now give it a quick mix and let it simmer on a medium-low heat for about 1 hour. Nice, look at this. It's been simmering for 20 minutes. Oh, look at this color. Amazing color. Now I'm just gonna add a little tiny bit chili flakes and cover it and let it continue simmering. After 1 hour simmering, look at this beautiful here. You see how thick it is? Look at the sauce, how thick. Most of the water evaporate. You don't need to thicken it up with cornstarch or anything. And the most important, always scrub those on the side. This is where the flavor is. It's pretty much tomato paste. Now you can leave it as is, chunky, as a marinara sauce like this one here, or you can have it a little smooth for tomato sauce, and you can use one of these blender. And the timing, how long to simmer the tomato sauce, is always depends on the batch you're making. So pretty much I left little chunks in it, and now we're gonna simmer it for another 5 minutes to get the red color back and good to be served. Looking good. The red color came back. Now turn off and give it last mix. I wish you're here to smell this amazing tomato sauce. And now it's all yours to use it on whatever you like.